What is going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we will be looking at the introduction to HTML. So during this entire module, really, the next, I want to say like 15 to 16 videos are going to be solely based on HTML. So if you are wanting to learn more about HTML, go ahead and stick around. If not, no worries. Definitely, uh, we'll be looking at CSS as well as JavaScript and SQL, so stay tuned for that. But for today, we're going to be focusing on the introduction to HTML. And before I do start, if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. But without further ado, welcome to the world of code. Last year, millions of learners from our community started with HTML. Why? HTML is the skeleton of all web pages. It's often the first language learned by developers, marketers, and designers, and is core to front-end development work. If this is your first time touching code, we're excited for what you're about to create. So what exactly is HTML? HTML provides structure to the content appearing on a website, such as images, text, videos. Right-click on any page on the internet and choose Inspect. You'll see HTML in the panel of your screen. Now, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. A markup language is a computer language that defines the structure and presentation of raw text. In HTML, the computer can interpret raw text that is wrapped in HTML elements. Hypertext is text displayed on a computer or device that provides access to other text through links, also known as hyperlinks. You probably clicked on a couple of hyperlinks on your way to this course. Now, learning HTML is the first step in creating websites, but even a bit knowledge can help you inject code snippets into newsletter, blog, or website templates. As you continue learning, you can layer HTML with CSS and JavaScript to create visually compelling and dynamic websites. But for now, we're going to focus on how to add and modify basic content on a page like text, images, videos, and don't worry if the website looks ugly. We're just getting started. So in the code editor, to the right, type your name in between the H1 tags, then press run. So we'll go ahead and write yes R and hit run. That looks beautiful, right, guys? All right, and then in the next video, we'll do some more coding with HTML. But until then, I'll see you guys in the next one and have a great day.